here with another review of the EVBASE wheel covers. I've got three options here that they've sent me in the past. The ones with the letter T up here and the front were the latest version I got. These are the arachnoid version. They're like simulating the plaid wheels on the Model S. The far right ones there, they're the Uber turbine. Can't really remember what these ones are, but they're to simulate the same ones that are on the, I think, the Model Y. Anyway, these are the original wheel covers that come with your Tesla on the 18-inch wheels. Underneath there's a set of rims, so I'm going to take these covers off, and then I'm going to show you what they all look like with the drive-by as well. So hopefully you get an idea, but these wheel covers, they do protect the edge here of the wheel from curb rash. Now they're not gonna, if these get damaged, they won't damage here hopefully. I have some curb rash, so it does cover it up. I'll show you that as well. So I really do like these covers. Now, when they ship them to you, they don't have any cover on them. Three options: the T in black, the T in white, and the T in red. And I prefer to be more like this. This is kind of more original from Tesla. Anyway, so we'll start off by taking these wheel covers off, and then we'll show you what's underneath there, and then we'll put on each one of these and do a little drive-by. And by the way, you can get these off of I have a link in the description from EVBASE. There's a discount code, so it'll save you some money. So just be sure to use my discount code, BC Tesla Guy. Anyway, let's go ahead. We'll put these on there, and we'll see how they look. My preference, I really like these ones. They're unidirectional. The other ones, they're not, but nor are these. They're not unidirectional, so they look a little different on the other side. Anyway, let's go ahead and take the cover off. But anyway, we're going to take off the original wheel covers from Tesla and show you those beautiful rims underneath. And then you can decide if you want to use something like this as a wheel cover. And we'll do a little bit of a drive-by. We'll show you how they look when they're rotating here in the parking lot. And so let's go ahead and take these rims off to start. Okay, so if you've never taken these wheel covers off, they're pretty straightforward. They're held in with clips, and then the center clip. So we just a little bit of force and just pull it out all at once, and it will typically just snap off like that. There you go. And then you can see we have these rims under here, alloy rims. They don't come with these covers. I put those on there, so you'll just get these nuts here. There's no cover here, but you can buy from Tesla or on Amazon a cover kit that fits on these. That's what they look like there. Anyway, here are the arachnoid version. They're the Model S plaid copy. Again, they do have a ridge on the side to cover this piece right here, so they will make the tires look a little bit bigger. So all you need to do to put them on is locate the valve cover hole, which is on this side here. And we'll just go ahead and put that in place. And again, just snap them in place. There you go. And so that's what these ones will look like. These are the arachnoid version. Again, the Model S plaid replicas. And you can buy those cap kits for them. I didn't have them for this one, but you can purchase those separately from EVBASE. So let's go ahead, we'll take these ones off. We'll take those off. These are the Uber turbine wheels. Again, harder plastic, gunmetal black, I believe, or something to that effect. They have the metal clips on the back. Again, it covers this piece, so we'll just find that valve cover hole. It's right there. Put this in place. And you can see it covers it completely, so there's no showing of any curb rash. I really do like these ones. Again, I think I would put a cover on. I do have spares, so I might put a black cover on there. So these ones look really good. Let's go take these ones off. This is the latest version that they sent me. They're the 10 spoke, I believe. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So they are the 10 spoke. I do have the black Tesla cover on top of these. They just held on with double-sided tape. You can get the white tee, the red tee. I like this because it more replicates what Tesla does. Again, we have plastic clips on the back that hold it in place. So all we do to put this in is find the valve cover, the valve hole here. There you go. Again, these have a matte finish, so they're not going to be shiny. These ones look really good too. Again, all the EVBASE wheel covers cover that rim for to hide any curb rash that you may have. So the next step is I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to put another camera and we're just going to drive back and forth just so you can see what they look like when they rotate. Okay, so these are the 10 spoke wheel covers. We'll just go back and forth here just to show you what they look like rotating. Okay, so here are the wheel covers here. Now the one thing I want to point out is that the Tesla one that's at the top left there, it does look smaller, and so it doesn't cover that rim that I was mentioning for the curb rash. These actually make your car look with bigger wheels. And I'll take one of these and I'll show you some curb rash, and then I'll place this on. So we'll use this one right here as an example. So you can see right here, I hit a curb pretty hard. You can see it's pretty bad. Actually, I damaged the tire as well, and so I've got to get a new tire. Anyway, so let's go ahead. We'll put this on. Again, what we're going to do is look for the valve hole, line that up, like that. Okay, and now you don't see any of the curb rash. Just a little glimpse of it over on the side here, between the tire and the wheel. But from a distance, you're not going to see that. So here are my final thoughts on the EVBASE wheel covers. One of the big benefits that they have is they have that ridge on the side that covers any curb rash. If you've owned your car more than a year, I'm sure you've got some curb rash. To have that repaired could cost several $100s, and you can change the look of your car by replacing the wheel covers and putting these on instead of the default Tesla ones. Now, if you're interested in picking up any of these wheel covers, go over to the link in my description for EVBASE. They've got wheel covers for all the Teslas, Model 3, Model Y specifically. There's lots of options. They're priced really well, and I really like they ship them real quick, so really happy with them. Again, one of the things I do like is you can get these wheel cover caps from them as well. They're double-sided tape. They don't provide them. It's probably some trademark thing, so they don't provide them. They sell them as an option, and I really do like these wheel covers. Links in the description. Thanks for watching.